Okay, we came here to eat something here in the huh for lunch here. So yeah. Our kuya side of Ceylon. Circle tricycles, yeah, tricycles. The same as what we are riding right now. Okay, we came here to eat something here in the huh for lunch here. We came here and yeah, it's a Filipino dish here. So yeah, it wasn't in the program to come over here. So this is all what we bought here. Oh, so yeah, where are we going to sit? Yeah. I'm with my mom-in-law, yeah, and my wife, and yeah. So Miranda, Maran, yeah. So yeah, this is the place. It's cool. And what else? For the drink, let's go for the drink. Miranda, yeah. Have some drink as well. Huh? Oli? Yeah, so. Anyway guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Take. This is what we have here. We have rice, gabi, tilapia, little shrimp, and caldereta. Yeah. This is what we are going to eat for our lunch. Buon appetito to everybody. Yes. Huh? Are you still hungry? My Mahalko says she's hungry. So now we will see.
Let's dig in.
Yeah. Amen then.
Nag-order di ang lechon para sa meal.
Mahal, how is your food?
Good.
You bought a second rice, which is unusual because you normally don't get two rice because you are always full. Which means today you are very hungry.
She is not diet.
Yeah.
Hungry.
hungry. Yeah.
It's really spicy.
Take the shrimp. I'm eating. How is your tummy now?
Very full.
Okay. I'm glad that your tummy is feeling full.
I think everything.
tricycle
Yeah.
going to Naga. See how traffic is here. Yeah.
We are here in Naga, but we are going in the central.
Yeah, we are going to the central.
We're
Yeah.
going to buy some groceries.
Yeah. So this is the vibes here. Yeah, it's really sunny today. It's really, really sunny. And this is our Kuya driver. Okay. We are almost in Plaza now. Yeah, here is Plaza. Plaza Rizal. Here is where the students all gather. We are almost there where we are going. I hope you're enjoying watching, guys. If you're enjoying, and also if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Share the video out and leave your comment down as well. Are you tired, Mahan? Feeling sleepy?
But I want to go hurry. I want to rest.
Okay, yeah, we want to rest because
Just
we
came from the long journey.
long journey from Manila place. So yeah, Manila. From Manila we went to Batangas, and from Batangas we came to Quito. So yeah,
It's a lot of journey.
yeah, it's a lot. It's tiring. Yes, very traffic. You can't even almost even drive. Really.
Now it's the holiday season is coming for sure. There's a lot of people here around traveling.
Yeah, here is Plaza. Plaza Rizal. Here is where the students all gather. We are almost there where we are going. It is. So this is Naga City. We are approaching the market right now. Yeah. This is not even the rush hour, so. These are called tricycles. Yeah, tricycles. The same as what we are riding right now. Yeah, we are here right now. So, thank you. So Yes, here we are.